At Young Enterprise, we are a charity that's really about unleashing the entrepreneurial spirit and the entrepreneurial mindset of young people. About 10 years ago, we started a partnership where Fujitsu started supporting us as an in-kind sponsor with regards to our CRM. During this time, we've really developed a strong relationship with Fujitsu, where the people we work with at Fujitsu feel like they know us as well as our own team do.
Fujitsu's Director of Responsible Business approached our DX Services team to get in touch with Young Enterprise to see how our co-creation workshops can help them with progressing some of their priorities and look at possible solutions to their business challenges. We then worked with Young Enterprise to understand what their core business problems were that they needed to address, and we ran a virtual co-creation workshop using our HXD methodology.
For Young Enterprise, our workshop was really focused on honing in on a concern or a problem we had. So like most organizations, there's a million things to do, but we don't know where to start. And so what the Fujitsu workshop really allowed us to do, or really supported us to do, is actually find out where those pinch points are and where those real areas of greatest concern, that if we can get that stuff right and get that thinking right and those processes right, we're going to find ourselves in a far better position going forward.
In the workshop, we spent a significant amount of time really understanding the problem in depth before we worked together and collaborated on prototyping possible solutions that would meet their needs. This created a pathway for Young Enterprise to have further discussions on what their priorities are, what their real drivers are, and how they want to proceed in the future.
The overall virtual side of the workshop went really well. Fujitsu did a really good job of making it fun and interactive and engaging. We used Zoom as the main platform for all joining in and being able to do breakout rooms, which worked really well. And then the use of Mural created quite a nice collaborative environment for us all to work on.
It almost felt like every 15 to 20 minutes, we had an outcome or we had a next step to process on, which made the journey exciting in one regard, and it allowed us to feel like we were actually making progress continue throughout the day when we were on call with the team at Fujitsu.
Getting us to really think about the issues and seeing it from a different stakeholder's perspective, I think was really helpful, because sometimes you kind of only think about it from your perspective. So it was nice to hear or see how others interact with that same process and some of those things that you might have forgotten if you designed it just simply looking from your point of view.
They ran the workshop incredibly well. It was extremely well structured, especially being online. The facilitators were completely engaging, and then obviously the team brought it together so well. I couldn't speak highly enough about the co-creation workshop and would highly recommend it to anyone.